What's up, guys? We are finally back with this new setup, and it's going to be exciting as now there would be no delays in videos. So, this time I thought it has been a very long time. We discussed the tech news, the tech update in our channel. So, let's do that in this video. So, the last 2 weeks was so exciting. Well, we had the Ryzen launch and it was amazing. And the other news that we are going to cover, well, you can't miss this one. So let's dive straight into this. So the AMD launched the Ryzen series, and if you see that this Ryzen has got 4 new processors: the Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7 and 2 models with Ryzen 9. The base variant, the Ryzen 5 5600X, comes with 6 cores and 12 threads, and it's clocked up to 4.6 GHz. And the power consumption is only 65 watts. Well, that's the basic one, but if you go more, you can go up to 16 cores and 32 threads, which can go up to 4.9 GHz. Yet the Ryzen hasn't achieved the 5 GHz mark, but its more cache is going to absolutely a bang for the buck. And the TDP is also quite low. It's 105 voltage based on the Zen 3 architecture that claims to be one of the best ones in this series. So it's always exciting to see such things. Well, Ryzen is doing so much effort to bring, and do you know what? I believe the Ryzen is going to take over. If you don't believe, you can check the pricing strategies. The pricing is so absolutely damn true. It's so great. It starts at just $299 US, going as high as $549 US for the biggest variant. Well, it is much more costlier than the last series Ryzen, but the performance that the Ryzen showed is worth watching. So November 5th is the date where you have to go and check the bank and crack the deals, and more reviews will be out for the same series. Well, the next news is what's coming out in WhatsApp beta, and it's particularly great looking. Now you can mute notifications for like more than what you would at least desire in other scenarios. Also, if you see, you can put up multiple devices. That's a very obvious thing that was requested and now is being implemented. And you can also check your storage right there. These things are absolutely gonna be a bang for the buck, and I believe you guys are gonna be really exciting to see what other things are being planned. The things didn't change earlier, nor does it now for like the PUBG Mobile. The Indian body has stated that PUBG will continue to have a ban due to being a violent game, promoting wars and stuff. So PUBG is not coming back anytime soon, no matter what, no matter Tencent comes, no matter Tencent is no longer associated with any of the Chinese firms, but still it's not coming back in India anytime soon. That's why 4G is coming, and the India is going to be the dominant with this game and support our army. So let's see what happens when 4G releases. Everything is unknown yet. Let's hope for the best. Well, things doesn't end anytime near this. We have seen that the RTX series was launched, the RTX 3070 and 3080 and 3090 were launched. Nvidia has now given up and the 3070 is delayed as well. They were expected to launch in mid-October, but now it's not coming anytime soon. It's being delayed by the end of October and possibly be available somewhere in mid-November. So what do you think? Is this what Nvidia wanted? Also, there have been reportedly leaks that the RTX 3060 Ti is coming. Do you know what that means? Well, that means more performance, more quality, and more time for us to say hello to every new thing that's happening. Well, let's see what happens with this new Nvidia thing. And the apps we have been talking about continue to get banned. The government has released a more list of 17 apps that are going to get banned. Wait a minute, let me put that out on the screen. Yeah, so here's the list of the apps that have been banned. Well, it's always sad to see apps getting banned. It's all started with banning of TikTok, and now every other day a new list is published and everything is changing so rapidly. But do you know what doesn't change a lot? That's the Google Pixel devices. The Google Pixel, Google launched Google Pixel 5 and 4a 5G. Both devices are 5G compatible and run on a Snapdragon mid-range segment chipset. Well, I don't know what Google wanted to do by degrading the chipset, but they believe that they promised to showcase similar things. No, India is not going to get the Pixel 5 or 4a 5G. It's only going to get the 4a. That's been confirmed by the India team of Google via Twitter. You can check this tweet when a person asked like when are these devices coming, and they were more of a like that these devices won't come. It's only the Pixel 4a because India is not yet 5G ready. India needs time to get ready with 5G technology. Well, what do you think? Is India compatible or not with 5G? Are we guys ready to boost 5G, or we are still there? Is a time that we need to focus more on providing the 4G speeds? Well, I don't know. If I talk about my experience, 5G is not coming anytime soon until 2023 or 2024. That's 3 to 4 years from now, but everything depends on what technology and quality India gets. So guys, that's it for this week. So you can check out the channel next week because another exciting video is coming. New setup is ready, faster videos, more communication, and we are going to discuss more. So if you like this kind of video, do let me know because we are planning to go live and do a podcast like this and talk about the things that are actually happening in the technology world, because we are all dedicated to tech. So that's Tech Milestone signing off. This is Avneet Singh. Goodbye.